Puppet Arnold here, talking with the cast of FUBAR. Now, that red carpet better not be made of felt, or else it's hasta la vista, baby.
Relax.
Okay,
Okay, close your eyes. Good. Concentrate.
I'm very
Now
hard.
you can look up again.
Okay,
Very. You see, a totally different person now.
yeah.
It's a totally different ballgame.
All right.
You're the man.
Thank you very
I
much.
love
So
you.
are you. I love you as well. All right.
I love the new fit.
Thank you. This is Old Navy. $3. It was on sale.
Oh, fantastic. This
Yeah.
is Oscar de la Renta.
What is your favorite Arnold quote that I do?
Put the cookie down. It's not a tumor.
Hasta la vista, baby.
Jesus, Marge, what the F?
I'm the potty pooper.
Get to the chopper!
Yeah. I haven't been in the gym since we wrapped on FUBAR, right?
Oh.
So, I mean, look at my muscles. They're so puny.
You need to join me on my ninja training.
Just if you lift.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It is.
just that.
Yeah.
1,000 of those.
Yeah.
Pump some iron.
Yeah.
Are you still riding your bicycle into traffic like a crazy person?
Every morning.
You never listen. You
Exactly.
don't listen.
What?
Just listen.
I did not hear you. Well, say that again.
Please.
Aren't you pumped that we made the show together?
I'm very pumped about it. Oh.
I only play bad guys for you. You know that, right?
Yeah. Are we on a secret mission right now?
We can't really tell them if it's a secret, though. Shh. This is just a party.
Thank you for joining me with the human cast of FUBAR. Now, to see them all act alongside yours truly, check out FUBAR on Netflix. Come on. Do it.